You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the Albanian name of who is better known as Mother Teresa. The Albanian pronunciation of her name is as Agnes. You can see on your screen that I've added the phonetic spelling. Agnes Gonxha Bojaxhiu. Overall, how to pronounce Mother Teresa's name, Agnes Gonxha Bojaxhiu. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.